Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the direction from which your directions for staking are given. So for instance, if you have a big landmark like a tree or a house or a power pole, and you want to use that as your reference to move to find your stake points in the field, right? So I have something nice and visual that I can move to the left or the right or up or down, wherever direction I want to move relative to that object. I can use that actual physical object in real life, or simply I can change the direction of the northing that I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do to begin here is that you can see that I've got this FieldGenius project open. I have a mismatch of points all over my map screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of using a standard measurement, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to right above RTK fixture where it says standard measure, and I'm going to select staking here, and I'm going to go stake points, and I'm just going to stake this point 342. That is all good for my video here. And what you can see here once I open up my grid view is that at the top I have the option set to viewing north cardinal, and that does exactly as it says. But if I click that, I can actually choose between three options. So if I choose it to viewing north directional, you can see that instead of a northing and westing, it actually is giving me arrows in which direction you need to move if you're a bit too dense like I am. But you can also click, if you click it again, we can also set it to be a point like that landscape or that landmark that I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to go select from map, and let's say one of my points on the left here is a nice big physical object. Let's use this OIP, and if we select that, now instead of moving relative to my northing position, I'm now moving relative to that point on the map screen. So I need to move 76 meters in the up direction here on my map screen and 13 meters to the right, and I will arrive at my point. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you switch between the different stake view options so that you can get a different reference direction in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204.